are out in Bear Mountain today where we are proud to showcase our newest listing. Now, this 3-bedroom home has 2,800 square feet and arguably the most amount of storage that I've seen. It's got vaulted ceilings, a great room perfect for entertaining, and sits on one of the larger lots of Bear Mountain. And with being on Bear Mountain, that means you could enjoy all the amenities that it has to offer, including 2 golf courses, restaurants, local coffee shops, and a stone's throw to all the hiking and biking trails that you need. My name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group, and welcome to 1245 Rockhampton Close.